Hello everyone. It's Teresa with Critters Crochet. And I wasn't planning on I did some shorts today, but I've been so busy trying to get caught up on crochet. I wasn't planning on coming on and doing a video today, but I got a box from Lion Brand. So I thought I would come on here and open it and show you what I got. Now, they had a sale last week where they had the Creek. Sorry if y'all think I'm funny about that, but I don't like saying that word. But it's the Creek yarn, and and they had it for $2 a skein. When you had 6 in your cart, they marked it down to $2. So I got 12 skeins, and I wanted to show what colors I got. Now this yarn has it's normally $11.99. So guys, $2 a skein, come on. Um this is baby blue, BEBE, baby, French, I guess, blue. So I got 2 of those. Or no, 3 of those. Sorry, 3 of those. Um 3 of the baby blue. I got 3 of the wine and roses. I got 3 of the Rosebud Rosebud Motel. And then I got 3, excuse me, of the, where is it? Okay, Shared Wall. Okay, so here are the 4 different colors that I got. I'm trying to hold them all up at once. Here we go. There's the 4 colors that I got. I think they go really pretty together. 1, 2, 3. Let me get them all back in here. I think they go really pretty together. The specs on these are 7 ounces, 372 yards, 200 grams. So 372, my goodness, I'm going to be able to make something massive. 372 times 12, that's 4,464 yards. So I'm thinking sweaters, and I'm thinking these 2 colors for one sweater. And then what do you think of this green and blue together for another sweater? That's what I'm thinking. 2 different sweaters. So, yeah, I think that yarn is just beautiful. So just wanted to come on and share that real quick. Just a real quick one today. But wanted to share that with you. And yeah, that's what I got from Lion Brand. I put an order in today on my Joann's app that I didn't plan on doing, but Joann's enabled me once again and tempted me. But they had some of their it was the baby, let me look at it again. Baby soft Bernat, baby softy, possibly. Let me see if I can find it real quick because I want to tell you correctly. La 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 la. Let's see. Yeah, here we go. Yeah. Oh no. I didn't get that one. They had baby softy Bernat for $1.72, I think, a skein, $1 something a skein. But every time I clicked on the colors, they were all sold out. So I went on down and kept looking. They had their Lion Brand ice cream yarn marked down to $4.14 a skein. So I got six skeins, and as soon as that comes in, guys, I'll do another unboxing. I'm not sure how long that sale is going to go on the ice cream yarn, but if you go to your Joann's app, or just go to Joann's if you don't have the app, and go to yarn and click on the clearance part, you can find it, and you could probably even just put in Lion Brand ice cream yarn, and it'll bring up what's on sale. So just wanted to let you guys know that, and I will see you tomorrow for Tutorial Tuesday. Bye guys, have a great day.